Although there are various definitions of cloud technology, most experts agree that cloud computing has a group of key characteristics. These include technology that's broadly accessible via networks, metered, and multi-tenant, meaning various users share a resource pool. Cloud computing is also on-demand, self-service, and scalable. Finally, cloud technologies are highly elastic, meaning they can adapt to rises and falls in demand quickly. The first real cloud-like services appeared in the 1990s when commercial webmail was introduced. Although this type of service didn't meet all the characteristics of modern cloud services, it represented a shift towards remote, on-demand services via a global network. Early cloud services introduced IT commoditization and outsourcing. A technology is commoditized when it becomes a standard component that's easily available from multiple sources. When technology has been commoditized, organizations easily accept it has value and rather than looking to innovate and improve the technology, focus on finding optimal ways of sourcing and maintaining the technology. Here, you can see how a technology becomes commoditized. A new innovation is introduced that creates new capabilities. It's expensive but adds a competitive advantage. Over time, the product scales up and standard processes develop until the new technology is well understood. Once this stage is reached, the product becomes a commodity, as it's essential to do business but no longer offers a competitive advantage. As the technology is now cheaper to produce and maintain, specialist providers offer it more cheaply than in-house services can provide. The product now serves as a baseline for future innovation, and the process begins again. When organizations started automating their business processes, they began to need data storage and processing facilities. The earliest solutions were custom-made, and communication technologies didn't enable remote accessing or processing of large amounts of data. This led to many organizations investing in data centers and the management and resourcing of infrastructure and facilities. IT was high cost and required continual investment to keep up with the pace of innovation. In addition, the likely returns on investment, or ROI, were often unclear, and there was a lot of risk, leading to infrastructure and facilities often being either under or over-provisioned. As a result, various solutions were introduced, which became the building blocks of cloud technology. These included technology commoditization, improved communication standards, virtualization, better controls of resource capacity, and self-service portals. Other solutions included improved payment systems, metering, and utilization tracking capabilities. These developments enabled highly standardized IT resources that are available on demand and accessible from remote locations. Cloud service providers, or CSPs, don't only provide commoditized services. They often pioneer the development and use of emerging technology, such as artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning, virtual reality, and IoT technologies. This means consumers don't have to develop their own solutions to benefit from the advances of emerging technology. Cloud services operate differently to in-house solutions, and before moving to the cloud, organizations must think about how they manage technology. Initially, organizations should re-evaluate how they approach the level of control over IT infrastructure, cost management, service quality, and user experience. They should also assess the impact of changing services, application compatibility, and security. Finally, a move to the cloud will have significant impact on scalability, flexibility, elasticity, and governance.